One thing I love is a quick and easy recipe. I'm Linda Arpino with the Positivity Arpino team. I'm going to show you a quick chicken marinade. I love something that I can do beforehand, a day or two before, so that I can have it ready. So if I have time to do it and make it early, I have it all ready for the night that I'm going to cook it. Now, I was supposed to marinate it last night, but I was busy last night, so I'm going to do it this morning. It's going to sit all day in the marinade, and we'll cook it this evening. So one thing I like, easy cleanup as well. So I put all my chicken in this plastic bag, and that's what we're going to pour the marinade into, and that's when it's going to sit in the fridge all day. I will turn it every now and again just to get the marinade and different pieces of the chicken covered, but that's a good tip for a quick cleanup. Let's look at the ingredients. So let's review our ingredients. We have the light brown sugar, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, some kind of oil. I like to use avocado oil, so it's healthier. It does have extra virgin olive oil you could put in, or just regular olive oil, pepper, oregano, garlic, and lemon juice. Now, I have already put all of that in, except the garlic, into where I had squeezed my lemons in. I'm just going to add the garlic in, and I'm going to pour it all into the bag. And there it is. Now you might be saying, that looks like more liquid, because I have the ingredient list for you at the end than what's in here. That is true because I have doubled the batch. So the recipe is what you would use for about 1.5 pounds of chicken. I have about 3 pounds of chicken breast in here. I do like to double the recipe and make extra, because I'll use it for lunches for everybody. I'll put it on top of salad. So it's a good for a weeknight meal, and it's good for leftovers as well. Hope you enjoy.